Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you an exercise that you can use to relieve back pain and also restore posture. So this exercise is called a child's pose. It's a very common posture found in yoga, but we're going to add on an active kind of strengthening element to this to make it even more effective. So for this, you're going to start off in a child's pose position with your knees wide, your big toes touching, and your hands are going to be forward, kind of like you'd have them for a plank. From here, you're going to shift your butt back toward your heels, squeeze your abs like you're doing a plank. If you don't know what that feels like, pull your belly button up and in, and try to squeeze out all the air. So do an exhale, squeeze out all the air as much as you can, and that tightening feeling you get through your core as you do this, that's your core engagement. And then from here, bring your arms out a little bit further, allow your head to relax toward the floor, and continue to tighten your abs. So what makes this different is instead of just allowing your butt to relax toward your heels and allowing your arms to relax and your head to come down, you're actually going to keep the abs tight, pulling your belly button up and in, squeezing your abs like you're doing a plank, and that's going to help make this more active, and that's going to help not only restore your posture, but also relieve back pain and strengthen the abs or strengthen the muscles involved in keeping you upright and helping you with a strength for posture. You're also going to keep your arms straight here, so you want to keep your shoulders active. Your shoulders are going to come slightly up and then down and away from the ears, and then squeeze your arms toward one another. So your hands are pressing down into the mat or the floor or whatever you have, but then you're squeezing your arms toward one another, and that's going to help with making the muscles in your upper back and your shoulders start working, and that's going to help restore your posture as well. So the difference here is I'm not letting my back round, and I want to keep as much length as I can from my pubic bone, so the bone right in front, well, right above your reproductive organs, whatever's there for you, and then keeping that long from there to your sternum. All right, so I'm not letting myself round like this. I'm keeping myself nice and long there, and that allows me to have proper posture while doing this. So I'm going to get a better release through my back. I'm going to feel some muscle engagement through my shoulders, through my abs, and also through opening and engagement through the hips. So that makes it into a full body exercise. You can do this for 90 seconds, 2 minutes, as long as it feels good and you don't feel like you have pain. Then keep at it. Your knees might hurt if they bend too much, if you're just not used to doing that. In that case, you can put towels between your knees or just don't bend your knees as much. You can do this every day. You can do this multiple times per day if you want, 2 or 3 times per day. I'd recommend at least doing it once, either in the afternoon or at the end of the day to help kind of undo the stress of what you do while you're sitting either at a desk or at work, or if you stand a lot for your job, this is also going to be applicable for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and I'm on social media at YouTube, YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. All of my handles are Manflow Yoga, M-A-N-F-L-O-W Yoga. So you can find me and follow me on those channels. And if you want to learn more about what I do and actually start with a program and follow along to something, check out my website, manflowyoga.com. We've got tons of stuff over there, over 40 programs, over about 300 workouts now, and hundreds of other videos to help you make yoga and wellness part of what you do on a regular day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.